Good morning, dear students. Now I am here with the very first lesson in English, the enchanted pool. So, as we know, India is rich in each and every resources, right? So, we should be proud of our ancestors. They have contributed a lot to the country, right? And India, as we all know, India is the birthplace for the many religion, right? So, the many religion means Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism, Buddhism, lots of religion we find, and also the greatest epics also we find. Can you name some greatest epics ಮಹಾಕಾವ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ? ಎಸ್, ರಾಮಾಯಣ, ಮಹಾಭಾರತ, ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ, ಕುರಾನ್, ಬೈಬಲ್, ವೇದಾಸ್, ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಪಿಕ್, ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಮಾರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ which we lost in today's generation. So in this lesson also, the enchanted pool, we will learn some moral values which is followed by the Yudhishthira and the other Pandava brothers. So the enchanted pool is written by C. Rajagopalachari. Before going to the introduction to the author, we will go to these two blanks. So desirable qualities, not desirable, so desirable qualities, good qualities and bad qualities anta karitivi. Good qualities means in the here some words have been given, we have to bifurcate which are the good qualities and which are the bad qualities anta ನೀವು bifurcate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So this is the good qualities which you expect to adapt in you, and which are the good bad qualities which you do not like in you. So everything you have to bifurcate and write. So in enchanted pool means what? The pool ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕೊಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಳ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮಾಟ ಮಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದ ಕೊಳ. ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟರ್, ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮಾಟಗಾರ, ಮಾಟಗಾತಿ, ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಟಗಾತಿ, ಮಾಟಗಾರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಟ ಮಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೊಳ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ. ಹಿಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ನೌನ್ ಆಸ್ ರಾಜಾಜಿ. And he is the greatest politician, and also he is a greatest incisive thinker. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವೈಸ್ ಥಿಂಕರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, he has written many writings. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹಲವಾರು ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ his writing is completely based on what means the moral values. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೋಟೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ to inculcate the moral values in the present generation. So moral values ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮೇನ್ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ have held the textbook in your hand, and also watch the video till the end. So whatever the words difficult words come across, you have to underline those words. So in the Mahabharata, the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice to the Kauravas and had to live in the forest for 12 years. During this period, they had to constantly move from place to place for safety and to meet their daily needs. One day, in the 12th year, the Pandavas' brothers wandered deep into the forest in pursuit of a deer. The sun was hot overhead, and the 5 brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. Yudhishthira sank down under a tree to rest and said to Nakula, "Brother, climb the tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby." Nakula climbed the tree, looked around and said, "At a little distance I see water plants and cranes. There must certainly be water there." Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad when he got the place and saw that there was a pool. He was very thirsty himself, and so thought of quenching his thirst first before taking water in the quiver for his brothers. But no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water, he heard a voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, do not drink. This pool belongs to me. O son of Madri, answer my questions and then drink the water." Nakula was surprised, but carried away by his intense thirst, and heedless of the warning, he knelt down and began to drink the water. At once he began to feel terribly drowsy, and he fell down to all appearance dead. So my dears, this much is enough. I will explain about it. So in Mahabharata, the Pandavas, who are the Pandavas? Bhima, Nakula, Arjuna, Yudhishthira and Sahadeva. These are the 5 brothers we call Pandavas. You might have heard about by your parents about this story. You might have heard or you might have seen the serial so and so. Is not it? So about Pandavas you have already known, I hope. So Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. Note down somewhere else. Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Bhima, Nakula and Sahadeva. These are the five brothers, Pandava brothers. So they had lost everything in the game of dice. Observe this word. The dice is the type of a game. Pagade ata anta kariತೀವಿ. So Pandavas and Kauravas had played a game, and also they had a bet while playing the game. That was who lost the game, they had to leave the forest for 12 years. It means what? They have to go as exile. Exile. What is the meaning of exile? EXILE. Exile means what? ಅವರು ವನವಾಸವನ್ನ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So they have to renounce the kingdom. Who lost the game, they have to renounce the kingdom and also have to go to the forest for 12 years as exile. That was the bet made by the Pandavas and Kauravas. Pandavas, who are the Pandavas? Pandavas and Kauravas are the cousin brothers. Understanding? So during this period they had to constantly move from place to place for safety and to meet their daily needs constantly. Observe this word, underline. Constantly means continuously or always. Constantly means always. So always they have to move from place to place. For what? So they have to spend the 12 years in the forest. That was the punishment for losing the dice game, right? So that is why they have to move from place to place for the safety and to meet their daily needs. What are their daily needs? Clothing, shelter, or the food. Everything is called what? Daily needs. For their daily needs they have to move from place to place. One day in the 12th year, what has happened? Pandava brothers. Who are the Pandava brothers? Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. These are the five brothers. So deep into the forest in the pursuit of a deer. What happened? One day the Pandava brothers wandered means observe. Wandered means moving from place to place. We call what? Wander. Deep ದಟ್ಟವಾದ into the forest in pursuit of a deer. ದಟ್ಟವಾದ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೀರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಕೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನತ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Pursuit means search. In search. In pursuit means in search. Search of the deer. They had moved from and they were wandering. That time the sun was so hot overhead. ಒಂದು ಸುಡುವ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. The five brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. The five brothers, who are those? Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva. Grew more, feel. Grew means feel more and more weary and thirsty. Tired. Weary means what? Tired. Thirsty means bayarike. So feel to drink something we call what? Thirsty. So the sun was so hot while they were searching of deer. They were so tired and thirsty. So that five brothers also were so weary and thirsty because the sun was so hot. So this rat sank down. Sank down means sat down. Here sank down ಮುಳುಗುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ sank down ಅಂದ್ರೆ sit down ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So sank here, sank is the past form of sink. So as I said, the verb means what? Verb is an action word which comes in a sentence. We call what? Action word. So there are 4 types of verbs: sink, sank, sunk and sinking. These are the 4 types of verbs we see. So here Yudhishthira sank down under a tree. Under a tree he sat down to rest and said to Nakula. What he said to his younger brother, one of his younger brothers? So the brother, climb that tree and see whether there is ಎನಿ ಪೂಲ್ ಆರ್ ರಿವರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೀಪ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್. ಸೊ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಈ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರ. ಸೊ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಧರ್ಮರಾಯ. ಸೊ ಧರ್ಮರಾಯ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮರಾಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸೊ ಹಿ ನೆವರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್, he never give up his dharma. That is why we call him as the Dharmaraya also. So that Dharmaraya ordered to Nakula to climb the tree and to search whether the water is there nearby. So the Nakula climbed the tree. So Nakula listen to his elder brother's order. He did not question anything, and without asking anything, he obeyed the brother's word. And Nakula climbed the tree, looked around, and said, at a little distance, so nearby, I see water plant and cranes. Water plants means what? For example, the plants which is required the water, we call what? Water plants. For example, lotus. So lotusಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೇನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ಲಾಸರಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ರೇನ್ಸ್, ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವನು ನಕುಲ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹಿ ಸಾ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಕ್ರೇನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಗೆಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಎಸ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಏಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇವನು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So this much is enough. So it is so lengthy video. That is why I will meet you with another video and with another topic. Thank you.